Sabi ni Jay. So, okay, between Ren.
That's easy.
You're broken.
Oh, that's bad. I guess we rejoin.
Yeah.
Now we all hide in the closet.
Yeah. Wait. Tingnan ko. Nasa ano siya? Nag-CR diba? Buhay pa siya?
Iniwan na pa sa labas.
Hindi, nasa CR siya.
Nandito po sa Baguio.
Gulat ako sa'yo.
Diba nakikita natin mga ulap, malapit na, uulan na. Kaya maglagay na po kayo ng mga, tago niyo na po yung mga labahan dahil lalabas na ako malaki. Tapos malubhang ulan.
Yan.
You haven't watched it?
Yung
Uncultured swine.
Galaga.
Hello, okay. False alarm lang pala yun. So, ba't sira yung
Tutot
pinto?
lang.
Oo. Ba't sira yung pinto?
It's broken.
No.
Ano si Jessica?
There you go.
Ayun.
Okay, we're good. Alright. First agenda is the car.
Hindi ba camp muna? O, dire-diretso tayo.
Hindi.
Oo.
Kita natin ang objective.
Ay, oo. Sige.
Yeah, di ba? New item. Get the car going.
Sina?
Go. Okay, lamppost yun.
Ito, diba?
Okay, lamp na naman yun.
Shotgun ammo.
Nice.
Ayun, susay.
Shotgun dito.
There's a shotgun.
Where?
In the tent on the left.
Here.
In the lost.
Here.
Yay!
Ammo on the bench chairs.
Thanks.
Okay na. Ang meron ng extra item is yung fuse.
Nice go, Prin. Right click.
What?
May zoom in. Let's go.
Oh. Oh.
Not it. No, that's not it.
I can't shoot that far.
Sorry.
Yan sana.
Sorry. Napasigaw ako sa kalsa. Yung sa pinig? Kasama?
Ano ni
Kasama. Dalawa yung fuse ko.
Dalawa fuse ko. Saan nalagay?
Ayun red.
Go to the back.
Kayo muna. Ayun, my screen is red. I think I need to do it. Just kasama ko.
Okay, kailangan mo lang mag-kill.
No.
Hi.
Hi. Wala ba bang ibang bottom dito?
There you go.
Hello, you good?
Yep.
Wala man top jump. Got it.
Eh,
See it.
Ayun sa labas. Chest ka.
I didn't miss.
Oh,
Nag-hit mark. Okay. Diwag.
baka daw nagkataong double kailangan.
Hindi hintayin siya mag-ano. Like, harap-harapan na.
Sabi na eh.
Oh, Ay.
Oh,
Ay, nagpas na pala ako.
May fuel ba tayo?
yes.
Sila ako.
Okay.
Punuin ka ba to?
Yeah.
Ay!
Ubusin na.
Okay.
Good. You wanna drive?
How do you...
How do you?
Pinalik mo yung takip.
Paano to?
Q.
Ah,
Q yung pag-draw.
right. Yung mga ko. What? Are we in English?
Ay, hindi pa.
Are we what?
Nasa right side yung ano. Oh, nasa
Oh,
harap
it's
natin.
Yep.
I don't have ammo.
I have ammo. What will happen if we just like no?
Did you run him over? No.
Maybe.
Hinahabol pa rin tayo.
Yep. We just gotta make do with what we have at the moment.
Ano na ba? Okay.
Over
Ayun
there.
siya, hinahabol pa rin. Ayun o, yun o.
Oh,
You're
shit.
there. Coming.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
We're good.
Good.
Okay na?
Pasok na yung car dito.
Ayaw nga pala.
Yan! Iwan niyo ako!
Balik ka dito.
Dito na ako sa bahay ah. Lock the door.
May para saan yung susi na to?
Ay, nasa akin yung
Ah,
cup
shotgun ammo here. Sa kitchen.
Akong isa pang shot. You might want.
Wait lang. Yung cup ng ano,
Shot
kotse. Ah!
Nako.
Nandiyan siya sa left. Ng bahay.
Bro. Lock it.
Nilak ko yung pinto doon.
Hindi na kayong pintuan ah.
May ammo dito.
Useful.
Extra flashlight.
Nice. Top
Kunin ko na
fuel.
rin.
Oo, hindi ko na magamit. Repair kit.
You want the fuel?
Wag na. Ayoko bumaba.
Breaking in.
It's breaking in.
You broke it?
Para saan yung susi na para saan yung susi na katabi ng engine?
Sakit.
Ano?
The front door's broken.
Oh.
That's ammo.
Saan kayo? Saan kayo?
On the bottom floor, ground floor.
Basement.
Nope. Dito lang sa ano.
Okay.
First floor.
Okay. Hmm.
Are we... Is this basement good?
Yep, na ano ko na. Nakuha ko na repair.
Okay. Rare sighting. The living shadow.
The living what?
The living shadow. It's called living shadow in the news. Anyway, we're good. Let's go.
May fuse dito.
No.
Yeah, I dropped
Lagay
it
ko
there.
na, lagay ko na ba yung,
No. Guys, punta kayo sa kitchen sandali.
kami ano?
I hate that I keep finding
Ah.
bugs. I can't move. Please. Di nga.
That's
Legit?
Oo nga.
Paano ka nakapunta dyan?
Dude,
wait.
nadapa ako.
Nadapa.
Paano ka nakapunta sa taas?
What? Di nga.
Okay, hindi rin ako-
Rejoin.
Rejoin, legit?
Rejoin. Yeah, kaka-start lang natin. Tapos itong nocting buta yan.
Oh,
Ayun,
Oh, ayun na, wait, okay na.
Okay.
Binaril lang pala ni Rini.
Okay.
Ito repair kit to.
Poy. Diyan siya.
I missed.
I didn't.
Right, lagay ko na yung fuel.
Okay, we're good.
Nasa sa'yo
Hindi
ba?
mo yung repair kit ha.
Repair kit na sa akin.
We're good.
Wait, lagay ko yung fuel.
Dapat nito pa fuel oh.
Lagay na ba lahat?
I have, like a lot.
Mawawala yung takip. Nawala ko yung
Okay
takip.
lang yan.
Nandiyan sa tabi mo.
Nasa
Hindi ko
ano?
nga mahanap eh.
Wala sa ano mo?
Hmm.
Inventory.
Wala.
Ayun.
Usog na, usog na yung kotse.
Hanap ko na.
Lagay ko na rin ba yung isa pang fuel?
Yo.
Pagda muna. I don't know.
Go.
Nagdalag ba ako? Yes, I think. Crunchy.
Hi, Z.
We got
Where do we want to go?
hello.
Yung
Tower.
isang area is office lang.
Tower.
Go.
Sa
Tower.
left.
Ayun, hard kami kanina para lang sa ice cream.
That's fine. We're good.
Nasa likod ko siya.
Yeah.
How do we, I don't have ammo for that.
Ayun siya, nasa likod siya.
We're good.
Wala na akong ammo.
Was that two?
Yes.
Nagdalag ako.
Di ko
Get out.
ma-open yung door.
Get out.
Di
Get out.
ako
You're
makalis.
driving it.
Ayun.
What?
Sorry. Sa CR. Nilak niya. Thank you.
Ay, yeah.
Uy, password. Ano password? 4796. 4796. Hindi ko ma-type.
Yeah, puro flashlight. Walang ammo.
Oh, I got. Oh my god.
Okay.
Already? Can you try to repair the door, or is that not possible?
Door na.
Door, like front door.
Oh, okay. Oh, papunta dito ata siya. Nope. Broken things can't be fixed.
Ammo here.
Puro flashlight. Wala, puro flashlight lang dito.
Diba?
Ano yung code ulit?
4796.
Alright. Punta tayo tower. Ito yung tower.
Katabi lang. Let's go.
Ayun.
Room.
Do you wanna drive it or not?
Huwag na i-drive para diretso na tayo sa left
Ano ko
side.
lang? Ikot ko lang yung... Hindi.
Sige.
Okay.
Nagdalag ako.
Ito ba yun?
Ay, ako rin. Naglalag din sa akin si Les.
Another shotgun.
Nice. Who's the
And
third
another
shotgun
repair.
here?
Ilan gusto mag-repair kasama ko.
Para saan yung key na to? Yung katabi ng... buksan mo ka ba to?
What does it? Ano pa nga?
Ay, walang name.
Drop mo nga. Old key. I don't know.
Grab it.
Grab it. Grab it.
Naglalag ako. There you go. Okay na. Yun na dalag.
Let's go. We can go up.
Ano yun?
Watchtower kanina. Ay, yung ano, pagkabi. Yung may
I
axe.
don't know.
Yun, sa kabilang side, di ba dalawa yung ano, arrow? Sa kabilang side na yun. Feel ko na ba habang nandito pa tayo? Ang ganap ulit.
Does you got ammo?
Yep. I'm good.
Alright.
Ang problema lang is medyo mahaba yung ano natin. Naglalag ulit ako. Ayun. Medyo mahaba lang yung... Okay na. Ay, sorry. Dito ka ba?
No. Good.
Medyo mahaba lang yung daan. So, okay. Let's go.
Dito na ba?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh!
That's fine, that's fine.
We're good.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Oh, hi.
Is that where we came from?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on 1 second.
Oh,
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Don't worry about it. I see it now. There you go. Over here.
Yun. Tapos
Much.
kumaliwa ka. Yan.
Ba't parang dalawa sila?
No.
Ito lang yun.
Isa lang.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just
Moving.
kidding, bro.
You're pushing me. Stop pushing me.
Sayang, di pwede mag-repair natin sa ano.
Ano ba?
Dito na pa ba tayo?
Nagdalag ako.
No, hindi tayo galing dito.
Ayun, yeah. Ito na yun. Ito na yung watchtower.
Oh.
What?
A
No.
lot of you?
Out of you.
No, kakarefill ko lang. Ay.
Oh.
Okay.
Dahil.
Ano yun?
There goes
Come
the
around.
car.
Do we need view?
Ayun.
Yep.
Okay. Yes, mabusog ka. Okay, wala na talaga.
Is
Go.
4796. Ano si Ray?
Wow.
Oh.
Great.
Ay!
Okay na. Ako na. So,
Kalimutan ko. No, di tayo gumagalaw sa akin.
Yep, di pa gumagalaw.
Ay, okay ka. Kaya ako nagdalag na naman ako.
Makatigas ng clutch. Oh,
dito.
there's
Sa right. Sa right.
What the heck?
Oh, shit.
Nice dodge.
Uh-huh. Where are we going? That's
Yeah,
right.
dito na yung stairs.
I don't have ammo. Run! Nice.
Yeah, it's dark.
That's true.
Uy, fuel. Ayun. Code is 4796.
Okay yung fuel.
4, 7.
Hey, di need ako.
Oh yeah.
You have an axe. Kung sino gusto ng axe.
Use the fire exit to get into tunnel room.
Fire axe?
Exit?
Oh, yung ano, babalik tayo sa,
Oh.
sa pinakaunang tunnel.
Yeah. Kaya nga.
Yeah.
Gusto mo ito gamitin, Steph? Look, pwede mo
Sige,
siyang,
ako-
ano, melee.
I'm scared, for sure.
Ay,
Ulan.
door stop.
Nakalock kasi.
Get your...
Sino melee? Harap.
Meron din oh.
Ay, nakaputak
I don't have ammo.
Where is he?
Stephanie, harap ka daw.
Sorry.
Fun time.
Natakot pa rin kasi ako. Pwede ba ito sirain? Hindi.
I don't think so.
Hindi. Na-try ko.
He broke it. Walang kumuha ng isang repair pa.
Circuit ba? One times lang yan?
No, ano siya? Oh, isa. Yay, thank you. Six.
Masyadong madilim. I cannot see.
Yeah. Isa ba?
Ayun.
Isa pa.
So, shit.
Nice yeah.
I did it. Everything's red. I cannot see. Everything's
Oh,
All I
oo
see
nga,
is
akin
red.
na yan, akin na yan.
my name.
Mababa ka na ako naman.
Sa'yo na yung shotgun.
Ay, kabilang side.
Oh.
Ayaw mo. Ayun, nagalag ako. There you go.
Oh.
Ayun na.
Nagdalag ako.
Check natin yung isa pang side or... Ah, wait. Meron ba?
Sige, check natin.
Bandang baba yun, no?
Yeah.
First right. Ganun. Sa side na.
This one.
Behind us. Yeah, keep going.
Wow.
Sige. What's this? Sa likod siya. Nice.
Oh, I didn't hit it.
Hoy! Sa likod!
Ano?
Likod Cheska. What's this? Oh, tram! It's a tram.
Hindi naman gumagana.
Find the missing large gear. What are the chances yung large gear nandun sa tunnel?
Probably. Yep. That's right. That's
Wait.
the action of...
Ay, Sarah, likod mo, Les.
Okay, 3 shots.
Yay.
Yung ano, bago siya mawala sa akin. But,
Okay. Alright,
very
let's
low.
go. Have to go.
Okay, akin na to. Oh, shit. Okay. Tumiin.
Wait for me!
Okay. Tagal mo heal.
Remind me if I'm going to the wrong direction.
Tama, diretso. Tama.
Gotcha.
Yan, tama.
Alright,
Yeah, tama.
that's fine.
Forget about it. I'm very low.
This is very steep.
You have your license?
Yep. Don't worry about
Right.
Hindi ko ma-repair yung door. Pwede bang i-repair yun?
What?
I can't
Pwede
see anything.
i-repair pag ano,
Yung car lang
Where are we
marirepair natin.
pag nasa labas.
Diretso.
No, there's nothing there. Oh, there is.
There is something there.
We haven't loaded.
You're too fast.
I go what side?
Diretso.
Left. Yan, diretso.
Ito na? Okay
Diretso
na to.
pa. Diretso pa. At dito na nawalan ng direction. Oh! Tama. Diretso lang. Ito na yung house.
Ito yung house.
Fuel.
Fuel, fuel,
Fuel.
fuel, fuel.
Ah, shit.
Fuel.
Parang may nakita akong red doon.
Don't worry about it.
Yung light ata, ayun.
Alright, let's go.
Ay, okay na ba?
Wait lang! Okay.
Konti lang yun though, like quarter. Sana may fuel dyan sa tunnel. At least may hilin na. Yeah, it is good.
Yes. Melee
Umulan
can't
ba
miss.
kanina? Umulan ba
Alright,
kanina?
EX.
Yung ano, kinuha natin yung axe ng ulan.
Repair 2. Repair 2.
Ay, okay.
Got
Condition 100, 100.
I got the cog, some ammo.
Hanap na laman.
Kabilang side,
Yung!
Yun, naka na.
use.
Pwede ka na maglagay. Dahil pa.
Uy, isa pang fuel dito. Kabilang side.
Ammo.
Uy,
What's
ammo.
ammo?
I need.
Oh, one more ammo.
What do you mean backpack is full?
Uy, shotgun. May shotgun dito.
Naka na lang yung. May,
Nice.
may ammo ka pa ba?
May shotgun ako. Oh, ito.
Hindi, ammo. Meron din akong shotgun. Kunin mo
Ay,
na yun.
ako yung
may
ayaw
ammo
mo
yun. Kunin mo. Sino ko?
Okay.
Sayang yung ammo nito.
Hmm. May noise.
I think I can use any more.
Walang gear.
Oh, meron na. Yan sa akin.
Ako na. So, yeah.
Yep.
Ba?
Yep.
Repairs are okay.
Wait, dala.
I don't know sa
Tas
doors
may-
though.
Tas may, ha? Saan yung door?
Repair sa doors.
Uy,
Likod mo, likod mo, likod mo.
Ah, na-two
No.
shots ako.
Ala. Shit.
Oh, well. No,
Ah,
matapos din yan.
yeah.
I believe.
No.
Get the axe. Tapos yung,
Yup.
yung shotgun na may ammo. Ano yun?
What's the key
I
for?
don't think... I don't remember. Alam ko ito yung para sa house eh. Yun lang.
Headless. Headless.
Ano pa?
Okay.
Remember you less.
Yup.
Hold on, I'm just gonna... it's a bit bumpy. Where are we going? That's to...
Straight. Let's go straight.
Okay, kasama niya pa rin ako. Yung ulo ko na sama sa gulyang.
Shit.
Uh-huh. Last sprint.
Up.
That's fine. Oh. Finally stuck now.
No.
We're running. Hold on. I can push it. Ow.
Uy!
Wait lang, nagalag ako.
Lumalakas siya.
So I'm dead.
Nung yung unang suntok at after na lang yung buhay, grabe.
Sakit.
Sakit na niya.
I-repair yung mga pintuan.
Hindi ko alam kung paano i-repair. Ay, pinipindot ko. Ayaw niya magpapindot.
Ay, mga
Repair ang
pindot.
ano.
Ayaw pindot. Nag-open and close lang siya. Loko na natin.
Ibang game.
Malapit na tayo matapos eh.
Thank you.
Alright. Speedrun.
Iran.
Di ako natatakot. Sino gusto ng baray?
Lalaki ako.
Lalaki ako.
Para sa Yang.
Where'd my flashlight go?
Yeah, I think makukuha pa natin yung yung items kahit hindi tayo
Flashlight. Your
hindi tayo
flashlight.
nag-objective.
Your flashlight. Good, okay. I shoot.
I think
That's good.
Diretso na sa camp.
I don't shoot. I shoot. I don't shoot.
siguro. Yeah.
I don't shoot.
Kaya pwede na yan. Kasi wala pa yung, kahit may axe na tayo eh.
That's right. Tapos na-unlock si Sans.
So,
Supposed to be here yet. Layo naman. A gun!
nothing. Oh, shotgun na mo.
Eh,
Sa akin, ah. Ito. Kunin mo sa akin. Nothing. Wait,
Kasi mas maganda kung watchtower tayo mauuna.
Kesa bahay?
pwede.
Or
Yeah,
kesa
para may box. Ay, para may axe na agad.
Hindi kasi yung code nasa office.
Okay. Split up.
Ano? Sige. Wait, what? No.
No, they'll have less time attacking us if we split up.
Yeah, but paano yung walang
Yeah.
baril tapos ano?
No. You split up with me, so we all both have barrel. Diba?
I see.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then,
There you go.
meet up tayo sa intersection point.
Saan ba? Hindi ba dito sa
So, hindi yan. Dito. Kabilang side.
Saan ako nasama?
Dito. Bali side. Dito.
Okay.
Gulat naman, biglang sumulpot sa left side ko. Wala man ng tunog.
Oh, di niya
Diba?
nakita.
Oh, nasa front side.
Ayun siya.
Agad.
Ayun siya, nasa front siya.
Mo.
What? Ang lakas naman yan ah. What is happening? I got 2 shots.
Oh,
Ulit?
Tapos nasa likod niya na agad. Never mind.
Totoo. Nag-ano siya
yeah,
agad.
nakahanap nga natin si San.
Damn it.
Crunchy?
Just restart.
I'll never beat this game.
Jessica.
Oh, hindi ko na-accept. Pinapindutan niya.
Ayaw mo mapindot ng join, Crunchy.
Ay, mapindot!
Ayaw mapindot. I'm here!
No, you're not.
I mean, nandito na ako sa game pa-invite. Crunchy? Hello, me.
Go.
Oh, sinusok ko muna ng flashlight ko. Hindi ko alam flashlight ko.
Di ba kailangan ng flashlight?
Kailangan ko makita.
Sige, may iwan ko. Go.
Damn it, wala akong makita. I'm blind.
Kunin mo to.
Tang
Sige.
Ayan o, tinagpasan mo, oy!
Sige, ko kailangan
Okay na.
ng flashlight.
Vlog eh. Yes ka? Yes ka?
Ah!
I have good
It'll be
vision.
fun. Either you have vision or you have delusions.
Yes.
Delulu.
May shotgun dyan, ammo.
Nope.
Hulog ka
Ah,
na.
isang sa taas.
Be over here. Ammo should be over here.
Yay!
Shotgun is that's a fuse.
Nothing. Kinuha na agad yung susi.
Hey, let's go.
Yun lang. Tara.
Ayun siya sa likod. Ay, hindi. Nasa puno.
Uy, ayun siya, sarap. Nasa harap. Pakita ko siya.
Sige, nandito. Huwag nyo nang ano yun i-interact. Oy, dito. Come here. Come here. Dito.
Andyan!
Here. Bruh. Bullet ko. Di nga. Di nga. May flashlight na nga kayo.
Hindi siya bright enough.
Alright, our friend's missing. Hindi, nandun na siya sa kotse.
Ayun, wait. Nakita ko yun. Ay, si Rin pa na yun.
Wait lang talaga.
Sorry. Nakita ko gumagalaw yung si Rin.
Crunchy.
I'll fix the fuse. There's a fuel on the left side of the house outside. Fuel left side outside.
Outside.
Ika, nandito Stephanie.
Wala akong weapon chest ka.
Wala. Wala din ako.
Okay na.
It's good.
Uy, amo. Sino sa amo? Pwede amo.
Nasaan na?
Akin na yung fuel. Ayan. Siyempre pa may susi. Pambukasin mo na yan.
Give me first.
Ayun siya, sa harap.
Right. Fuel.
Ah, fuck. Nawala ko yung cap. I can't see.
Parang wala yung cup. Di ko nga mabuksan yan pag may hawak ako.
Mami.
Di ba kanta yan?
Okay na.
Oh.
Hey, lamin. Hey!
Okay.
Okay na.
Nice.
Just ka susi.
Ika, hindi ako makalabas. Ah!
Knock the door. Wait lang.
Ba't kailangan mo?
Come on.
Sweet.
I'll just close the door. Hindi ko lala. Okay,
Huh?
hindi na ako madadapa dyan.
Nandiyan na siya, sa labas.
Di ba
You're
siya-
legit?
You good?
Yup. Good.
Heal ka muna dito eh.
Yeah.
Wala na ako basement ah. Ayun,
Nothing here.
Nice.
Amo,
Yeah,
inside.
Yun. Paper kit. Okay na.
Apat na amo sa loob. Ay, dalawang amo sa loob.
Saan loob?
Right, okay.
One here. Ano, wala na. One here.
Okay na basement.
I also took it.
Oh, okay. Sige, okay.
Kanino yung shotgun? I mean, kasi may ammo ako dito. Hindi, may ammo kasi
Okay.
ako.
Ammo here sa taas.
Hoy, nandiyan siya. Oh, let's off.
Grabe.
Let's,
Din yan and then mag-i-drop.
Mr. Leos.
Yeah,
Here we go.
thank you.
Let's go.
Siguro na, let's go na.
Yung amo? Yun.
May-check pa ba natin kung ilan yung fuel? Or mamaya na nga lang ako.
And it's broken.
Broken.
Okay.
Somebody fix it. Sige, oh.
Ako.
Fix the door. Mamaya na. What the frick? Where? There.
Nakikita mo ba kung ilan yung Kung ilan yung fuel?
Yung?
You?
Nakikita mo ba kung ilan yung fuel pag nag-drive ka?
No.
Oh.
Yes.
Ilan na?
There's no fuel. Apparently there's fuel. It's let's tell me where it points.
Empty.
How much fuel does it have?
Saan door?
It doesn't
Sira
move.
yung door?
Ano lang yung design lang yun.
May sira na door? You like to
Wala, okay lang. Ito, sa akin.
Sa kanya.
sa'yo ba? Yun.
Fix, please.
Thank you very much.
Okay na.
Yeah,
Go.
let's go.
Have we
Interesting.
stopped?
Wait.
Oh, nice.
Hold on 1 second. Where are we stuck?
So, lamp.
Lamp.
Ano lamp ko?
Walang
The lamp's
Wala.
inside you.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a lamp in front of you.
Nope, there isn't. What the heck? Why is there a
Yeah.
lamp?
Yes, there is.
Yup, kita ko.
Oh my fucking god.
Nice.
Nope, stuck talaga to.
Alright, one more time.
Oh, god damn it. Ah!
Ah,
Hey, we're doing good. Yay.
Nah.
natanggal na. Teka na.
What?
Nothing.
Bakit?
Natanggal ko.
What the fuck?
Ah.
Yeah, practice lang. Yeah, practice. That took 8 minutes.
Wow, bilis ah. Na-explore na natin yung house.
Yan, si Bebe. Ang cute-cute mo. Pa-invite. Kuya Gaya. Nauna ako. Aray.
Game.
Sometimes I can't go forward. Sobrang lubak. Yawa. Ano ang nangyayari? Bibitawan mo konti yung ano.
Yung kotse.
Pagkabitaw mo ng ano, ng ng preno, apak ka clutch, tapos biglang aapak ka sa ano, sa gas, sabay. Tapos ano, tapos hindi gumagana, apak ulit preno.
Kasi
Sige nga.
I don't know why we're here.
Ala, saan na kayo?
Nandun na.
Sa cam.
Nasa tent na kami.
Second shotgun agad ako.
Keys. Okay na. Fuse. Fuse yung X ng item. Fuse yung tsaka flashlight.
Okay, let's go. Dito na si Ray. Oh, may naiiwan.
Ako, sa kanya susunod. Parang naririnig ko yung pagtap ko ah.
Rinig ko talaga yung takbo.
Kasi hinihingal ka ba?
Ay,
Takbo. Kaya kong tumakbo.
Fuse ba? Ay, fuse box. Sorry, shotgun.
Oh, shotgun. Nice.
A third shotgun.
Shotgun shell. Sorry, shotgun shell.
Oh, paasa.
Para kanino? Para kanino?
paasa ko pala, Stephanie.
Sorry wala pa tayo nahanap na fuel.
Meron na isa.
Ay, okay.
Yeah.
I know.
Ayun siya sa harap.
May torch.
I heard 2 shots.
Gone.
Let's go. Oh, shit. Nandiyan na siya.
Where?
Nasa likod. Ayun, oh. Kita mo?
Hindi ko kita.
Oh, Rain. Kita mo, Rain?
Yep, I can see it.
You do
Quite
it.
far. Quite near.
Yeah.
Amo, sa kitchen.
I'll take it.
Basement na ako. Dalawang fuel. Nice. Pick repair kit.
Sabi, be.
Dalawang fuel canisters na tayo. Okay na yung basement.
Amo here. Nakuha na.
Okay. Tuk.
Yep.
Yo.
Nakalock. Ako na mag-warn ko na dyan siya.
May pinto din sa may likod, ah.
Oo, nilock ko na yun.
Okay.
So, dalawa yung pinto.
Yoga back.
Explore nyo na yung taas.
Yep.
Okay, wala na. Refuel?
Di ba? Puno pa yun.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay na. Go na ba? No?
nangyari?
Okay na ba?
Okay, you there?
Okay na ba?
Yeah, shut up! I'm focusing.
Okay.
Ay,
Staring into his eyes.
Oh, you're looking at its eyes.
Yeah, I won't move, you won't move, we'll never move. An inch.
So, next.
ito ko.
Ah, di na bubuksan yun. This is my own private domicile and I will not be harassed.
This is my lotus. Okay.
Paano buksan to?
Yung ano, second door.
CR.
Oh, wait, there you. CR.
Oh.
Oh, ayun na siya, ayun na siya, ayun na siya.
Oh.
Sinira niya ang car.
Oh.
Oh, yung car.
I think we should fix that. Doon na tayo mag-fix. He's trying to be a
We're gonna open the door.
There we go.
Pinatid
Coming,
mo muna
coming.
yung car. O yun.
Come here, buddy.
Nice.
Car, please.
Meron pa bang ibang area na sinira?
No. You're good. How about you? Isang fuel.
Nag-heal ako. Out of heal.
Oh,
Where?
Oh. that didn't reach. I didn't reach. I have to reload. It's still not dead.
Ah! Fuck! Hello?
It says.
Ano?
Right. Please. Wait lang. Hey, hey. Yeah, okay.
I see
You read
red.
too much.
Everything's red.
Alright, we're good.
Tower. So, right, diba? I mean, left pala, left.
Hindi, yung office mo na. Office. We need the
left.
a code.
You can't make decisions well in after the intersection.
Don't turn left.
Never turn left.
No, we turned left.
Okay, stop.
So, dyan kayo, dito ko.
I can't. Oh, there you go.
Ah, wala akong light. That's fine.
Flashlight. Nothing.
Fuel ammo. There's fuel at the at an area.
Oh, ammo.
May
ammo sa akin.
Napuntahan ko na yung electric tower, ah.
Okay.
We have one ammo.
Awa pa dito.
Oh my god, nagulat ako kay Les.
I have another.
Here, awa.
Just
Wait, nasa ka na kanina yung code.
Thanks.
Flashlight.
Ito amo ko.
Ayun, sa akin. 8588.
Shotgun amo.
8588.
May shotgun pa ako
Okay na to. Kayo na yung shotgun ammo.
He's here.
Oh?
Oh, never mind. Sino ang shotgun?
Okay na. Nice. Ayun siya.
reload.
Shotgun. Kunin mo. Ayaw mo?
Ay, hindi yan.
Damn it, sira yung car. Narinig ko sinisira yung car.
Ayaw mo ng ammo? Just
Dapat puno ba yung ano ko? It's
Kaya,
fine.
Okay.
may isa akong slot.
Puno yung
Iwan na
may
slot
fuel
niya.
dun ah.
Okay. Hindi, walang laman to, Chester.
Okay.
Help, please.
Eight, 5, 8, 8.
We're also out of fuel.
No.
Ako na.
Oh, help me.
Ayaw.
Stephanie.
Ano po?
Refuel din ako.
Okay na. Fuel din ako. Sa akin yung takip. Okay na. Let's go. Go left.
Sorry. Dad, are we there yet?
No. Shut up. Or I'll take your allowance.
No. Okay.
Baka maikot tayo. He's gonna turn the car around. Ano? Hoy!
I'm gonna move this car to the cliff.
Dito. Tama.
Here.
Hindi mo kita.
No, you don't.
Hey, who opened my door?
Okay ito. 8, 5, 8, 8, 5, 8,
8588.
8, 5, 8, 8. Uy, gas pa tama.
This is the only entrance. Fine. Good.
Uy,
Nandiyan siya?
Hindi, na-stuck lang ako.
canister.
Asan yung ano? Ganon!
Oh, fuel. Got more fuel. Get ammo.
Okay na.
Want ammo?
Tuloy na yung ano ko.
Meron.
Uy, shotgun.
Want ammo? Ammo good. Ammo nice.
Good ammo.
Ako naman mag-feel lang yung kasi wala akong
Hindi ako na
slots.
Go.
Hi.
Training.
So, ikaw na sa fuel?
Yep.
Sige.
Tama na to take
Just
my...
light the way.
Dito, sa baba. Sa may puno. Ay, kotse pala yun. Joke lang.
Somebody take my toolbox.
May toolbox ako. And it's currently maayos. Tara na. Tagtag agad sa baba.
Box. Oh.
Nakuha ka ba? Yes.
Yes.
That's in. Come at me.
Alright. Okay.
Push.
You were low.
Wala lumabas. Oh, wait, wrong way. Left.
Ano ba dyan?
Yeah,
Oh.
kasi
Out
yun
of
yung tram.
You.
Shit.
No fuel.
Okay.
Can I double fuel?
Yes, we can.
I can't see. The rain is fogging everything.
Is that good? Yeah, apparently. Very good.
Go.
Alright.
Yeah, mamaya na dyan. Dito
Reverse,
nalagay
reverse,
yung
reverse.
malaking wheel, diba?
Right.
Cog wheel. Yan.
Nagbubukas ng pinto ako.
Yeah, layo ka muna.
I can see it. Oh my god, so far
Ah,
away.
fuck. I'm low.
Ba't ka lumabas?
Pasok.
Sorry kasi may axe na. I thought I could help.
No.
Uy, drop fuel ba yun?
Wala na laman yun.
Okay.
I'm not gonna
driving, right?
Di ako preno. Tuloy-tuloy tayo dito.
No! No!
Ah!
Slippery road.
Ayaw mag-ano ah. Ayaw mag-ano yun ah. Mag-right yan.
Here's something broke.
Oo.
It
Minus,
looks
minus.
like a tree.
No. I only thought that's a 3, but it's not a 3. That's a 4.
Oh,
Where are we going?
forward.
Diretso.
Tapos left.
Ay, akala ko 2.
Alright, here we go. Alright.
No, that's left.
Alright.
Alright.
Dang. Wait.
Dala fuel. Shotgun. Extra shotgun.
You've disconnected to the voice chat. What?
What?
Ano ba voice chat ko?
Yes.
Hindi.
Kanina?
Oh. I don't know. No, I didn't hear anything.
Okay. See something. Pero narinig pa rin ako. What did I say?
Don't know.
Upo ka nga sa may pintuan, Stephanie, para ma-repair ko.
May pakuha ng isa pang canister. May space pa ba kayo?
Yes.
Not me.
May
Upo
isa
ka
pang
nga dyan.
canister dyan.
You can. I can. I can.
Okay. Dalawa na shotgun ko. Sino ang gusto? May axe dyan.
Okay.
Ayaw.
Hold on 1 second. I'm fixing under the car. Wait, lang. Yeah, I'm fixing the car. Hold on. Ah, there we go.
What?
Okay na.
No,
Ayaw
we'll
niya,
go
ayaw ng
under.
shotgun?
Let's go. Nakakatakot. Ayoko. Wala akong bala.
Oh, may bala ako, may... Okay, see.
Sa'yo na yan. Para hindi maganda aim ko right now.
Ano,
Wala pa nga.
the quick switch, di ba? Quick switch ng ano, ng shotgun.
Yeah. Ano to, Fortnite?
Yes, sir. Okay, it's gonna come
Nakanina yung gear?
Oh,
on me.
okay.
Don't die. Don't die. Don't die.
I'll try. Okay, we got this. We got this. It's over there. I can see the road. I can see the road. I can see the road.
Oh, go lang, kaya.
Polygons.
We go straight.
Straight.
Tapos left.
Susunod na ba? Hindi ko makita eh. Nakarang success.
No, ako pa.
Layo niya.
I might run out of fuel though.
No, you good.
Naka-refill ko lang.
Same.
Don't worry.
Right, we'll see. Polygons.
Polygons.
Darkness.
Straight.
You're too fast. The light can't keep up. Wow.
There it is again.
Left. There you go. Good.
And we're here.
Wait a moment.
Not yet.
Polygon?
Wait, no, not yet pala. Nagalag!
Alam ko mag-move out the ano na yun eh. Hold on. Come on.
Come on.
We're good. We can
Oh,
escape,
okay
we
na.
can escape. Go. Come in.
Oh my god!
Go! Finally!
Start the old cable car. It begins to move. Slowly but
You
surely
started.
making
Gumalaw.
its way across the mountains. Hopefully to a better and safe place. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Stop. Oh, you have escaped.
Yay!
Yay! Kala ko naman.
Oh, RV.
Lalo ko nag-stop midway. That took 22 minutes.
Tama ba?
Kaya ba?
Uy, nice.
Wow!
Ethan.
Ayan, wala na.
Ha?
May objective, tapos may ano.
Puja ka ba?
Tapos
Okay.
wala din yung yung gagawin mo sa ibang lugar.
Okay, next game.
Ay, yung RV. Tara, RV. Maging hopeful naman, hopeful.